Pretty girl Storm, I saw your bad. Come a little pretty girl. Jiggle your body, you look good in the migo girl. Hey, watching them on Esco the Shocker, this from Jamaica representing for Pretty Girl Storm. Blood out there.
Yes, do the action, then you open them out and say you're going to mash up them life moves. They just get afterwards, so directly, they know exactly what you was doing.
Oh, she a pop star because me, I know me a cuss.
Well, no, Mumsel, well, that is when I try to get at. Why you take it as she's popping style and you? Why you take it that way? Why you could have said she get her back? Why you could have said
me? Oh, yeah, but do me can't fish all the bomb buckle. Listen now. Listen again. Listen again. Because I go school, I'm educated. Listen again.
My drop out.
But you go school and you not act like you have enough sense and know so the man and the girl are linked now so certain.
Me not busy. If I get a throw shades fire, what are you going to do? If somebody going to throw shades on you, what are you going to do? Well, listen what happened. Me I hear the panel live right good now. Me I say, me no business like me want after who the girl because me and him a type and then he call my phone. So me is so me so in it a fast. And I said, him could have daring enough. Say I put up a girl when she defend it. But me remember she tell him Baba said to stop type about JR wife and comment.
But that's not your business.
None of my business. Right. So me I say, Global as my friend, not even penetrate style like the fan, because not even watch the comment him sometimes. I did a drink, me NC and a Magnum, and I laugh in a car and I go on with myself. And I say, but you know, see what man do? The man put up 2 girls and different one of them I'm cousin.
Shani, hold on. Nobody can bring back the news. Mumsel not answer with her, and Debbie, Global not answer nobody call, so nobody have no news to bring back.
Sure.
None of the two of them not answer with call in the group then. So.
If you're in one group still, they shouldn't come on social media and make
yes,
people
go and talk on social media. That's the problem. That's the
and should have keep
it
in the group.
Don't want come in the group and talk and we can pacify as grown people.
I wasn't paying attention.
Sandy, I beat me doing Sandy.
Me I drink, me I uncle, so me I ask the question. So me say, Global, they never seen post 2 girls on him Instagram, my own one. If they explain, him a laugh.
Shani a piece more.
Him a laugh. So she did a ackle up her body.
Them not answer my phone, so for other pan live.
And I say, answer me. So she attack him. So me that I laugh out the whole time.
You want some queen?
Because me say everything was a joke for me.
Oh.
You understand? Then she start, Mumsel, in her feelings now. A matter of fact, I'm blocking him and she start going, oh, you didn't tell me. Me say, but me not think it right for me to tell you because me and him a friend too. Me only think
so
it
why
right.
did you mention it? That's why I can't tell you you had a motive.
No, listen up. Even me gonna mention.
Alright,
me's not a 2-side mode globe Pele. I don't know why that girl left me and I'm biscuit that girl. Me don't want 2-side person. Now we have to 2 people them there. Me get one line with them at top. So me never go round the back and go ask the question and a question and a put fire upon our man and a put our man. You understand? I was doing it like it just the conversation don't lead up to she and him and me just a actor. No bad vibes, no nothing.
So if I tell you that you could get a bad
Shani, I mean, you want Shani to start about yourself the next person.
Listen, man, if she come to me and say, Mumsel, me know say him and I get things, but me want it to stop because me not really trust this. Me could understand certain things, but this girl always throws words on her life. And the life, and I'm looking at him and DM.
Mumsel, should come to you, say?
Me not hear you.
Why the woman should have come to you, say, Mumsel?
If she come as a friend and I say, Mumsel, why? But I appreciate it. I know what go on or something.
This girl's funny, you know.
After you go on, nothing wrong.
She's funny.
Don't come to the live and you never come one-on-one and talk to me. Natalia, go on the live and you go on with yourself. Never really hear. Me try, I know me spiteful, you know.
We can tell.
I don't call my blood clot ex-man for my life. Don't call him. Because you know what I go happen now. Me take nothing extremely personal. If somebody call him name, me I go attack them.
Nobody calling him. I did call him.
No, me no Pele do not call him name. It's not about him.
No, it's not about him. I'm asking a fucking question. Shut up and listen. Me know your current man or your man before the man, the Rasta man, Crystal.
Yeah.
Yeah, link. You can go to the prison.
Come off and
but that's the part what me I try to say.
Him and
somebody a friend before me. Him a friend before me.
Yeah?
And
but Mumsel,
whatever, Mumsel. You wouldn't want your man buying your friend no for giving your friend money all the time and buying gifts. Don't do it, girl. No girl no want that.
No, because
that's like crazy.
No, my man doesn't have no reason for call for you.
You don't know what friends are for. You don't know. If me and your man are friends.
Any friend, girlfriend my man have before me, nah, him can't buy them not when me and them there. You must see man. That cut off. Them friendship they don't needed no more. My man nah I spend money on no. That's his friend. Fuck that.
I know my man call me and tell me to do certain
that
things.
Nah,
So what you say?
Mumsel, may I friend ever a friend will come to my friend them.
Why?
I'm no overbalance the relationship. Me always in
still I get it like say, as she make me know the man. She not make me know the man. She make me know the man.
But you are trying to put yourself in the girl
line with that.
I don't care who. Yes, it's you make you know him, but the girl that exchange her vagina with him now. And you're going like you want even with the girl. And that means try to for you and you're not understand that you act like you didn't go to school. You act like you went to school.
Yeah, Mumsel, not easy. She too much, man.
Me never asked him one day.
But you tell him to pay your rent when you tell him to buy you the bag. That is more than the rent.
Shani never blood. Me never know
that is more than the rent.
So at them time there, she and him start. After them time there, it starts so serious.
So now them
me
serious.
up the bag.
So now you
why
see that
she and him
why
them
you
not
still
get the
pressuring
bag?
for the bag? Now that you see
yeah, you see her face, she jealous, you know. She's so jealous.
I don't care. She said just come.
Me like Mumsel, but she jealous right now at the girl. I'm sorry. You can see the bitchiness in her face too. No, sir.
in the future?
You say
Huh?
Huh?
We're not fuck presently now?
Maybe she has sent him pussy picture and I quiet while she a go on so.
Me and she never in no entanglement for cocky.
Alright.
Before she
listen.
always again.
Yes, Mumsel.
Alright, so let me ask you a question. Let me ask you one question.
She's crazy. She's always trying to justify everything.
Money.
And
Debbie,
Debbie, stop in here. No, me hear what she said, Debbie. Stop in here. Me hear what she said. Me answer for it, no.
What are they? What
Jan left good now. Jan always a farm of go. Me no answer Jan. Supposed to know.
Shut up, Debbie, with your big fucking head.
Sure. Tell him say no because when him there with the girl and me want a bag, me never get the bag. So that other mind game, them have to play that dirty mind frame there, that mindset. Them not gonna play that dirty game. Me I go end the friendship with JR. Me I go end the friendship with JR.
Mumsel, me not hear the way you said it, so if you want to repeat, go ahead.
Me not like, no, me not go.
I didn't hear you for real. I swear to God, because Debbie was
alright. I am saying to you now. So because she and JR there. Me enough for ask to the boss if she and JR left tomorrow. Me for end JR friendship. No, my question is.
Wait, so Debbie, no feelings. No.
Debbie, are you gonna keep reading the fucking
stupid ass read the comment. When I talk, I'm
like she can't read in her head. She's a 9 with her big fucking head.
Me don't want business about them comment them across.
I think so too.
Him cut off everything. Alright. Me I work out all the while I work it out. Dumb and stupid, you know. Say?
About the app for Debbie.
No, Debbie, your body, no. You're not even alright. Debbie, no, I'm a talk. Debbie, continue.
No, talk, Mumsel, talk. Talk with her clean mouth, girl. Talk. I go back, she hang up like say, I'm supposed to frighten.
So, no, instead the man with an offer because...
Okay, I know the queen. Now shut up.
Why she have to read out the comments?
I have no problem to buy me the bag and tears. Alright, fine. Fuck it. So no want to play the game or who no want me to play.
No, girl. It's the right
Uno
thing
want
to do if that's your
the fact
friend.
that
But Uno.
me not for ask the man
Poor
to
Debbie.
she and him there.
Something's wrong with her.
Right?
She love money too
So
much
she
and
and him
stuff.
there. Me not for ask the man for nothing, right, Pele?
Yes.
Yeah,
Alright. So me not for ask this. So
Mumsel, I didn't
just
say
listen
I
a man,
ask a
Pele.
friend for nothing.
Pele, listen a man.
She couldn't ask my man for nothing. Fuck that.
But the man to
Pele,
tell
you
you
like
now,
down
call
that
me,
is
Pele,
class
ask
though.
me for the thing seen. I said go.
But
Yes
you never
or
tell,
no?
but you never tell us.
Pele, you read up boy your
It's my
ancestors.
friend, but no, because me go in a detail we don't know. Common sense is now. If you have a friend, your friend and you always talking, and me will say, yo, my brother, give me a thing, and you can call me and say, do this to my mom's self. And me can do it for you. So to this bitch in and him there now, me fuck out all ties with him. So
But you
this
never
man
tell us.
I let
But you
you
never
know.
tell us there's a friend where you run up and down for them something.
But I'm his friend. Him always
I lie,
call
she
me
a
and
tell.
so
She
I
too
did-
damn
Hold your
lie.
position.
She's
Hold
a
your
lying.
position.
Oh,
I make the
you guys
bitch do what
dumb.
she do. Hold your position and make the bitch take over. Hold your position, make the
Very
bitch take your
I never
materialistic.
come
position.
here for
Hold
argument.
on for your position and make the bitch get to your position. When an expiration date come, it come. When the expiration date come, it come. And your date expire
Yeah,
long
Mumsel too
time.
much. Me like
Your
her, but
date
me sorry.
expire long time from your
I'm not nobody
certificate.
not have
Me
that,
still not
Mumsel.
stop
You're
telling you that.
bright.
When your expire date come, you expired. Hold your position, make the bitch play a
Tell
role.
Gucci.
Me a play my role as a bitch and me a collect and you vex. Why you fucking vex? Explain to the people them why you fucking mad. That's what you need to do.
Front of me, I swear to God.
That's what you need to do. Remember, you know. Remember, your address is locked. Your address is locked. Your address is locked.
with you right now.
Your address
Okay.
is locked. Your address locked.
Global, we are the
Your address locked. Boris Johnson, please, my Prime Minister, I beg you humbly, let the plane start taking off because Mumsel don't know who she ramp with. Boris Johnson, my humble Prime Minister,
So where
I
the man
come to
there?
you humbly.
In a USA?
Me done.
You know, some of that rap we do though. Some of that rap we do though.
No, that girl I really get to me for true now. I feel like me want bust her head, but me just chop out class. Listen to me.
Oh, you go bust head when she there. Oh, no, just stop it. One in America and one in England, no, sir. How where the man there?
Where the man named JR. So because over one start that pussy, because I'm sure say the man fuck her tomorrow. The man left her, the second him fuck her.
So yeah, empire the whole no good.
No. Remember say them girl can't
Canada man there? I lie. Some of the clothes.
Man don't fire England, girl. Man must don't fire England.
Murder.
So they all over the globe.
But I know Mrs. she can't take a flight over there, but she can't
He's
take a
in
flight
Canada.
from Jamaica. It's because she's
So am I.
Because she put the money, man not looking back.
Since
But
he
I'm
wants
not
to
even
give
gonna
out
debate
money.
on she right now. What I am saying, all the thing, I don't get the bag. Me don't need no friendship from him. Me I tell you the truth. So what me I say, before we even go back on the bag Pele, so that means say me if you just block him then. Because
No, that's
it's
no.
just a one-way friendship. Then him don't need to call my phone and check on me, Pele. That's just the truth.
Mumsel, can you listen to me for just 1
Yeah.
second? Just listen without talking, please, please, please. I beg of you.
If
Listen
you
what
want
I'm
to keep
saying.
on keep me off phone alive, I don't know if I true. I don't know if I true. Dragonfly block me. Eh?
You lie, they keep out yourself.
No, the dragonfly block me, so probably that's why it'll keep me off.
Alright, can
But
I
as
say
I
something
was
slow
saying,
down?
yeah?
Can I say something, please?
Yeah.
Mumsel, what me simple I say to you, I'm wanting to listen clear, please. I'm done with it. So, Mumsel, you and JR is friends.
Obviously, my name is no friend after tonight.
You and JR is friend. You and JR been friend before. Global get in the picture. Now Global is in the picture, and Global has sent some intimate pictures to him, like showing her
That has
vagina and her
nothing
breast.
to do with
Yes,
me.
listen, shut up. Just listen. No, young JR is still friend. JR still continue to send you a little money, them see him and still a call you and still a check up on you just to see him, don't it? Huh?
Yes.
She ready eye for the purse.
Yes.
So, JR still maintain the friendship what Yanni has, right? He still maintain that